Hello guys, it's journalist Samuel Brand and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, kindly consider subscribing, and for a returning subscriber, thanks so much for your support. Now, here's breaking news. Kasipul Member of Parliament Charles Ongondo Were was shot dead on Wednesday night in a suspected targeted assassination near the City Moja roundabout in Nairobi. The Ori Democratic Movement legislator was ambushed at around 7:30 p.m. by two gunmen riding on a motorcycle, according to witness accounts. According to police, the attackers had been trailing his vehicle before one of them disembarked and fired multiple shots at close range, fatally wounding the MP. His driver, who was with him during the attack, survived, leading investigators to believe the gunmen were specifically targeting the lawmaker. The incident was also witnessed by traffic police officers at the roundabout. The MP was rushed to Nairobi Hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. He was serving his second term as MP for Kasipul constituency in Homa Bay County, having been first elected in 2017 on an ODM ticket. A respected educationist before joining politics, he previously worked with the Ministry of Education and was a strong advocate for reforms in Kenya's public education system. ODM officials and fellow legislators expressed shock and outrage at the killing, calling for swift investigations and justice. May Charles Ongoro Were's body rest in eternal peace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news updates, and also remember to click on the notification bell.